Hey everybody, so it's wash day. I'm giving Zuzu a bath. These are the products I'm going to be using on her today. A lot of these products I got from Amazon, Temu, and also Ross. So this is Zuzu. She is my Cavapoo, and she has not been groomed yet. So this will be her like last bath from me with her puppy hair because after this week, she will be getting her first groom next week. So I'm about to give her a bath. So, first, I do have to take her sweater off. And, like I said, a lot of these products that I'm going to be using came from Amazon, Ross, and also Temu is where some of her outfits came from. So, this particular sweater came from Ross. I want to say her and Izzy's outfits range like maybe under $10 always. I never spend more than that for their outfits. So, yeah, it's just her trying to play. So Zuzu is about 5 months. So she has been getting baths at home. So this is me. I'm just getting her wet. The funny thing is, when I give her a bath and I'm not in the shower, or let me say I give her a shower and I'm not in the shower, she likes to walk out. But literally, guys, a couple of weeks ago, I was taking a shower and she got in the shower with me because initially she was trying to get some water, like drink the water. But then she just stayed and her whole body got wet. So I ended up giving her a bath with me while I'm in the shower. And, some people might say, oh, that's disgusting. But she was already in there and she was fully wet. So, yeah, that's the soap I'm going to be using. Got that from Ross. So yeah, I've noticed that I like this soap. Zuzu usually smells really good, and Izzy smells really good after I use this soap. Got it from Ross again. You can slow the video down if you want to see the exact kind. I know they have different ones by this brand. So yeah, I'm just washing her off really good. I have to really like lather her up really good. And of course, this soap is for dogs, so don't worry. The soap that's in her face is not burning her eyes or anything like that. And I have to wash her paws really good because Zuzu has a lot of hair, as you can see, but you can also tell that she looks so much bigger than what she is. And if you saw, I just got some poop off of her butt because, with having dogs that have long hair, a lot of times their poop can get in their butt. So, yeah. Now we're just going to rinse her off and get her all the soap off of her so she can be ready so we can get her blow dried. And sometimes she will cooperate with me and she'll do really good. And then other times she'll want to get out. She'll be a little bit skittish, which is understandable. But Zuzu has been getting baths and showers at home since we got her at 9 weeks. So she is familiar with it, but I guess today she just was not having it. She was like, Mama, I do not want to be in the shower right now. But I was like, girl, we gonna clean you anyways because she also had went to the dog park that day. And so anytime I take my dogs to the dog park, I always try to give them a bath or a shower because, other dogs have other germs and they're in the dog park, a public area outside of like our house. So I do try to bathe them whenever I take them to the dog park. So this is her. As you guys can see, like I said, she is nothing but hair. She is only 8 pounds and we are thinking she's going to be 8 pounds times two. So now it's time to get her blow dried. So y'all, this dog cologne smells so good. The only thing I would say is that it kind of smells manly, masculine, and I guess it doesn't really matter that much, but that was the only one I could find for her, and I did not feel like buying it off Amazon because it was $13 on Amazon, and as you guys can see, it was only $3.99 from Ross. So my kids had came in and started talking to me, but yeah, so I am just drying her off. I like to use my hand first to dry her off to get her kind of used to it. As you can see, she tries to escape every chance she gets because Zuzu is going to try to escape. She does not really like getting blow dried as much, but some days she does like it. Like I said, some days she really cooperates and you can tell she likes her shower and getting, blow dried and stuff. Other days she's like, Mama, F this. I do not like this. But yeah, so I'm just brushing her and I am popping up the blow dryer. I did kind of turn it on cold so it's not too hot getting on her. I try to brush out her paws really good and just places where I know if it's wet, it'll take a long time to dry. But also because Zuzu's so small, it does not take me too long to do her maintenance. But she did have a couple of naps. I tried getting them out with another comb, but she was not having it. So we just went ahead and skipped those parts. They'll have to deal with that at the groomers because I ain't got time. Okay, so anyways, as you see, I'm just brushing her, trying to get her as dry as possible. And then there are times where Zuzu will snap if it gets snagged or anything like that. And this brush is actually a little broken, so it doesn't even go as deep as it could. which is why I use it on her, because it can't really go that deep on her hair, but it does manage to get her combed through. So a lot of times with Zuzu, when I am brushing her, if she's feeling like she wants to bite my tools, I usually let her, so she understands like they're not gonna hurt her and I'm not trying to hurt her, and that, she's stronger than the tool itself. I also had to hold her hair, so I kind of like comb the top of her head because she kept moving. And like I said, some days she cooperate, another day she not. But my baby be trying. So this is the fur ball. We are about to start prepping her so we could do her hair. I usually try to do her hair when she's a little bit wetter. So right now she's a little bit dry. I did have to go ahead and just wet her, a little bit so I could get her hair on top dry. I noticed the last time I did her hair, she was so wet, like she was kind of wet, so she just let me do it. Like I had the cute ponytails and everything. She let me do everything to her that day. Today, Zuzu was fighting me the entire time, but it has to get done. Like, girl, you have to be cute. You are a princess. I cannot leave my princess looking dusty, rusty, and crusty. So yeah, so she was fighting me as usual, but we gonna get her done. So yeah, and actually, I love doing like fancy stuff to my dogs because I have another dog. She's a golden doodle, but I actually like doing Zuzu's hair because her hair is so long that it gets up in her eyes a lot. So she really cannot see. And it's like you can see it. So I try to do ponytails. So it's like the hair is not just falling in her face. And I do cut it sometimes, but since I'm not a groomer, I try not to do too much because I don't want to mess my baby up and she be looking ugly. So, well, my baby could never look ugly, but you get what I'm saying. So, anyways, I'm just doing a little ponytail in her hair. I'm just trying to get the hair that I know will fall on her face. I don't do the ponytail like all the way in the front, but I did mess up a little bit. So I had to go ahead and cut that out and redo it. But I am going to do her a ponytail. I think I ended up doing 3 ponytails in her hair. And it worked out really great because after I did these ponytails, she could see. So mission accomplished, and she was really cute. But it ended up just being one instead of like two, like I wanted, because she was fighting me too much. And I was like, you know what, girl, I ain't trying to go through this with you. It literally took me an extra 30 minutes doing her hair today than it usually did, or it did the last time, because she wanted to fight me so bad. But yeah, but my girl was really cute. After we got the ponytails in, that was the 2 that I did initially before she fought me, and it ended up just being one. So yeah, so the ponytail ended up being one. I did get these little bows for her hair. I actually got them from Amazon, but I would not recommend them because the little balls in the front kept coming off. Like I could not get them to stay on. I had to keep taking them off and putting them back on because the balls were just coming off of the scrunchie. So I would not recommend them. But yeah, my girl was looking real cute when I got that one little ponytail in her. After the 3 that I tried did not work. So yeah. So this is my baby after I've done that. Next, I'm going to put this cute little dress on her. Now, I got this dress from Temu. I did not get that dress from Ross, just to put it out there. But we have to brush our teeth first. Now, toothpaste and toothbrush I also got from Ross, but you can find this on Amazon. Zuzu actually will let me brush her teeth sometimes, but I'm sorry guys, I couldn't get it all in the camera because she kept moving. But she actually was letting me brush it once it got in her mouth because she liked how it tastes. And I use charcoal toothpaste for me and my baby girl. So yeah, the toothpaste I was using for her is a charcoal toothpaste, and I made sure to use the small side of it. And then I use this paw and palm butter like on her paws and her nose, because when they're walking outside, you want to make sure that their hands are basically moisturized, not necessarily their hands but their paws. So I go ahead and I use that on her nose and her paws, and most of the time she licks it, so it's not that hard. But I can't wait for her to get it, because a lot of times her hair gets in the way and a lot of the product gets on her hair instead of her actual paws. But yeah, but it does the job because my baby's paws are not rough. So now I'm gonna put this cute little dress on her, which I said is from Temu. I swear to God, y'all, my sister put me on Temu for pets because she ordered a lot of cute outfits for her cat on Temu. So I went up there and got a lot of cute ones for my baby, and she's been growing with these outfits. Like the funny thing was, I got these for her when she was like 3 pounds, and she can still fit down at 8, which is crazy because, like I said, most of it is just hair. So yeah. And then lastly, after we got her little outfit on, she was good to go. She smelled so good and she looked so pretty. And I know she's like, I cannot wait to get out of my mommy's freaking legs, which, that's really how she was. But Also, she just smelled good, looked good. You know, when you look good, you feel good. And I feel like that's for animals too, because my baby was looking super cute. And afterwards, you know, I gave her some loving. And this is Zuzu. This is how she's going to look the last time before she gets her haircut, guys. And so, yeah, this is her on the bed, part in my mess. But this is how my girl turned out looking like a little fur ball after we got her maintenance day done. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And you have a great rest of your week, guys. Bye.